Welcome back, my hungry people. I see you have returned to watch me cook some more of my very unique dishes. So, let's just get right to it. Today, I will lecture you on how to make my twisted VEEF Ragu pasta. First, prepare your casserole and pour in the oil. Careful not to spill any. Oil is expensive nowadays. Then, add in your button mushrooms, also your meat-free soy proteins. Stir fry them till they turn brown. Now, fill in your juicy tomatoes and add some dried rosemary. Muchacha?
Who is this Rosemary?
Leaves! They're just leaves! This will add fragrance to my dishes. Okay. Now add in the chopped onions. Don't forget to stir. Time to mix in my very special red pesto. It's also infused with MSG. Let's also cut up some of my century-old sun-dried tomatoes. Then spice it up with some chili flakes. Now, here goes my bell peppers. Give it a good stir. Then, pour in the tomato puree. What's that? Oh, it's my additional MSG. Next thing you should do is to transfer your aromatic sauce concoction into your mixing bowl and prepare to boil 1,000 milliliters of H2O to cook the pasta. Look at how I twisted each one of them for that curly shape. A dash of pepper and dried basil will make this dish more fragrant. Then, the mixing continues. Also, a drizzle of truffle oil. Finally, overload this with my freshly picked basil leaves for that perfect twisted beef ragu pasta. Everyone who watches this will like, subscribe, and press the bell button.